Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm going to show you how to turn off tracking on your iPhone. Now the first thing you want to do is head over to the iPhone's main settings. So we'll tab into that here. Now on the main settings, you want to scroll down until we get to privacy and security. And we want to tab into that. Now at the top of privacy and security, you'll see tracking here. And you want to tab into tracking. Now at the top here, you'll see allow apps to request to track, and this is currently tabbed on as it's green. Now if you turn this off, all new apps that you add onto your iPhone will automatically be denied tracking accessibility. Now all the apps that can track are listed below, and you can see here I have tabbed all my apps off so they cannot track. Now you want to come back out to privacy and security, and now we want to go into location services. Now again at the top here, location services is green. So this means it's turned on. So you can tab this off if you don't want any new apps to track you through location services. And all the individual apps are listed below what can track you through location services. And as you can see, each app tells you either whether it's never or while you're using or always. And you can go into each individual app and change if they can track your location or not. If you need any help, leave them in the comments below. And if this video will help you out, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and thanks for watching.